Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arson Woods, and here I am one more time with the temple designs for your home. Temple designs are either modern designs or traditional designs. However, as we make it in wood, solid wood, teak wood, our designs are mostly in traditional format. However, with the use of latest machines, the CNC cutters and the 2D cutting, we are moving into modern designs as well. However, the wood remains same, teak wood, and very durable, strong units, and almost lifetime for the wood. Here I have two designs. They're same designs going to the same person, but he requested for different colors. And here we are with two different units, same design, different color. Size of this unit is 3 feet left to right, front to back 20 inches. The height is 6.5 feet. It has got doors, and this is the inside area. Then we have whole tray, is also known as bhog tray. When we have the full tray, is with channels. Then we have a bigger cabinet here and two drawers with channels again. If you look at the door design, it's a 2D format. So we have Om, Ganpatiji and a Diya design in cutting, and then we have bell design on the sides. This is our model Teak TMP003. That model is converted to this design as per the size requirement and the color requirement. Size of both units are same, and everything, the drawer and the pattern remains the same. One on the left side of mine, this one is natural teak finish, and this is light walnut color. If you're looking for darker colors, we can provide you that too. And if you're looking for multiple other colors like gold, silver, champagne, gold leafing, white, off-white, we have all the shades. We have already done it earlier. We can do it for you. One unit we have sitting here. This is an antique gold, and it's in 6 feet, and the height again is 6.5 feet, front to back 24 inches. One of our heaviest designs in terms of carving. You can see everywhere. A few more units I have here. This is our model 103. The size is 30 inches left to right, and the height is total height is 5.5 feet with cabinet, and again a nice design in teak wood, teak finish with a Diya tray in the middle, two drawers, two cabinets, and the side design of this one. You can see the peacock design on the sides with the jali work, and quite liked, one of the most liked design. Quite compact, a complete kind of unit, and this one is without dome. If you want dome on this one, we can provide that too. Let's move on to a bigger unit. This one is 4.5 feet left to right. The chalky height from the ground is 20 inches. Total height we have here is 6 feet, and front to back, this is a wider unit, so it's 30 inches front to back, and the design has got stairs in the middle, and right here we have this Diya tray, quite big one. So if you pull it out, you get the entire area clear here, a big space in the middle right here, and the design you can see with the elephants and the top carving design, and with Shri Ganeshaya Namah written right in the middle. If you want to write something else, you want to change it, we can provide that too. With Shikhar, with drawers on the side, these are the drawers, and then we have two side small cabinets. These cabinets are 21 inches by 14 inch, and the height is 14 inches again. As per the client's requirement, two door. This one is going to Australia. Another unit I have here in a similar design and pattern. This one is 42 inches left to right, front to back 21 inches, and the total height is 5 feet. Ganpatiji is right in the middle. Then we have peacock design, elephants on the pillar base. Then we have two drawers, and again a bhog tray, a full tray. Looking at all these units, you can see every unit is different size, different dimension. Some unit is smaller in size, in height, platform height, more wide. Everything is different because these are customized units. Everything as per the size, design, and color that is required by the client. And all these units are going to different places across the globe. One more unit here in antique gold paint. This is 3 feet left to right. The height is 5.5 feet, and front to back, this is 22 inches. The platform from the ground is 18 inches high, and we have a step inside, and you can see the carving on the back. This is another format when we have carving on the back. On the back, if you want the LED design, we have that too. If you want the door with the cuttings, that can be done. With carving, that can be done. You want Ashtalakshmi on the door, or some other like Krishna ji, and we have done Hanuman ji, Garudev, different patterns on the door. Then we have mandir with Gopurams, we have mandir with Shanku Chakra Tika design, and several other designs are available on the website. There you can see the whole range. You can pick any unit, get it customized as per your requirement, and we will deliver to your home in India or out of India, wherever you are. The most important thing is the size and the puja tradition of yours. Accordingly, the unit is designed. Rest is the design part. Whichever you like, we can make that at factory price because we are the manufacturers in solid teak wood. Every unit that you're looking at is solid teak wood. This is not ply, this is not MDF. You can see the design, the carving is done in real wood and teak wood and different colors, and home delivery globally. So anything you like, please call us. The number is right here. We hope and we trust we can get what you like. Thank you. Dhanyavad.